What's going on, guys? This is my new project. It's a 2007 BMW 550i with a big V8. I believe it's 4.8 liters. So when I bought it, it looked a little bit like this. Got into an accident. Bumper was all messed up. Hood messed up. Headlights messed up. So I'm in the middle of rebuilding it. Already got a new hood from a guy on Craigslist. And I'm waiting to find the bumper and headlights. Everyone is dreaming on the headlights, asking for like 1,000 and stuff so they can chill. I'm gonna keep bargaining and see if I can find cheaper ones. I might replace this whole bumper piece too, as the broke, the headlights, wipers motor. Then there's a piece that goes here that holds the sensor, the temperature sensor, and then also the bumper hooks up to it. The piece here, I have it, but it's bent, so I might have to replace it. It's what holds the latches. Other than that, it runs pretty smooth. I just did an oil change. Changed all the spark plugs. What else? I'm gonna be changing. I'll be putting a cold air intake on here. I'm gonna change the cabin filters as they're dirty. Show you. It's already tinted, which is nice. There's the inside. Inside is really nice. And let me get the key so I'll start it up. Oh, and another cool neat thing, it has the, so you can lock it by just tapping it, or unlock it by, as long as the key's in your, on you, it locks and unlocks easily. Really nice sound. Only has 141,000 miles. And a whole bunch of warning lights because I don't have the lights on, the headlights, and I don't have the back wheel on. And looks like I need to change the brake pads, front brake pads too. But other than that, everything works.
Just ask a neighbor.
And I got this for less than 1,500, so not bad at all. Not bad.